Timecode Notes. It's a free app on my website. Here is the full URL. You can go to my website here, and inside Sound Lab Technical Tools you will get Timecode Notes. It's free to use. It has two functions. One, you can load video files from YouTube or Vimeo. You just click the link of the video and you can paste it here and load, and it will load here like that. And or you can also drag and drop your local video file into the app and it will load your local video files. This tool is basically useful for taking notes whether you have video or even without video. So I'm going to write in here the project name, Crow in a Rainy Day, and basically start, and it will start to play the video. And here I can write grainy video and it will start to populate the notes here. And I'll also then write add wind blowing through trees. So it adds a new file here, and I'm gonna look for something else. Okay, there the crow jumped in. I will go back there and start to say crow jumps make a sound, and the crow is also calling here, crow calling sound, something like that. Let's say I'm satisfied with the notes. Now I can check here, go back to the notes wherever the position is, and I can now save this and export as a file. So save, and it will download a file for us. I will save it here inside my folder and save. Now let's say you had a YouTube video here or Vimeo, and they can, or let's say director can now on their part put both files in together at the same time and also get the same exact notes that you wrote. So this is how you can use Timecode Notes. Thank you very much for watching.